Friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. Our today topic is sagging skin reaffirm. There are several methods. There are several ways to firm up sagging skin, including self-care options, non-surgical options, and minimally invasive options. In more severe cases of sagging, some people may consider surgery. Sagging skin is not harmful, but it can lower a person's self esteem. Sagging skin may occur as people age or after weight loss. Some medical conditions, such as cutis laxa and Ehlers syndromes, can also cause loose skin, though these are uncommon. Certain lifestyle factors may also prematurely age the skin and cause sagging. These include eating an unhealthy diet and having high sun exposure. This article looks at why skin sagging occur and some tips that may help prevent it. It also details some approaches that may help improve the appearance of sagging skin. Why does skin sagging occur? Skin sagging is a natural part of aging. Collagen and elastin are two essential proteins associated with skin firmness. The production of these two proteins decreases as people age, frustrate sores. Hyaluronic acid levels also reduce with age. Hyaluronic acid is a molecule that helps the skin retain moisture and appear fuller. For most people, the skin begins to lose firmness between the ages of 35 to 40 years. Sagging skin may also occur after significant weight loss. The skin stretches to accommodate an increased body mass. Over time, however, this can damage restores the collagen and elastin in the skin. This can lead to sagging skin after weight loss. Also, during pregnancy, the skin of the abdomen stretches. This may lead to skin sagging after giving birth. High sun exposure, particularly exposure to ultraviolet light, can also result in wrinkles and sagging skin. Some people may refer to this as photoaging. This is due to harmful ultraviolet rays reducing the elasticity source of the skin. Some common areas where skin sagging may occur include the face and jawline, neck, abdomen, upper arms, inner thighs, tips of preventing sagging skin. Many external factors expose the skin to free radicals. The body produces free radicals in the response to its environment. If free radicals build up, oxidative stress, this can increase inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress can cause the skin to age prematurely and may contribute to sagging. Pollution, exposure to ultraviolet light, cigarette smoke, and unhealthy diet can also increase free radical productions. Antioxidant may act to neutralize free radicals. Plant-based food are a good source of antioxidant. People can also attempt to prevent loose skin by enjoying the sun safely, avoiding sun bad use, eating healthy diet, staying hydrated and using moisturizer, getting adequate sleep, stopping smoking if applicable, losing weight at a steady pace if applicable, reducing exposure to environmental pollution and cigarette smoke. Ways to improve skin sagging. Some lifestyle approaches may help with sagging skin depending on its cause and severity. Some techniques are better for certain areas of the body than others. These approaches may include exercise, engaging in exercise such as resistance training can increase muscle mass, building muscle, through exercise can improve the appearance of sagging skin, especially in the legs and arms. Also, facial exercises may improve muscle tone and around the jaw and neck. This may reduce sagging skin in these areas. Firming products. There are many firming products available that are marketed for the treatment of low skin. These aim to reduce minor sagging affecting the skin of the face, neck, and or abdomen. The American Academy of Dermatology says that these products have limited efficacy. They are unlikely to penetrate the skin deeply through the enough to improve sagging. Products containing retinide may offer some benefits. Retinoids may increase the amount of collagen in the skin, helping it appear firmer. Supplements. Eating a healthy diet that includes a range of brightly colored fruits and vegetables supports good skin health. Additional supplementation may have some benefits for sagging skin. Some skin supplements to consider including collagen. Collagen supplements may help replace collagen that body naturally loses. Collagen supplements come in tablet, powder, capsule, and drink form. One study in the journal Skin Pharmacological and Psychological monitored the effects of collagen supplementation on the skin. It found that 8 weeks of collagen supplementation improves skin elasticity. Antioxidants Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that may cause skin aging. Vitamin C is a well-known antioxidant and support collagen production. Without vitamin C, collagen production reduces significantly. Antioxidant supplements may come in tablet, capsule, powder, and gummy form. A healthy diet provides a range of antioxidants including vitamin C. Massage. Massage may improve blood flow around the body. Increased blood flow helps remove waste products such as free radicals. Massage may also stimulate fibroblasts. Fibroblasts are cells that help produce connective tissues that keep the skin firm. These connective tissues may include collagen and elastin. A small study examined the effects of a handheld massage device in combination with an anti-aging face cream. It found that massage increased the effect of the cream on facial wrinkles and neck sagging. Non-surgical treatments may help with mild to moderate skin sagging. They are usually short procedures that require minimal recovery time. Typical reactions include skin flushing and temporary swelling. Non-surgical procedures increase collagen and elastin production by using devices to heat different layers of the skin below the surface. People may see results 2 to 6 months after treatment. These treatments may include ultrasound, laser treatment. Ultrasound. High intensity ultrasound penetrates the deepest layers of the skin, and heat may encourage the body to produce more collagen. A single treatment may result in modest skin lifting and tightening. Additional treatments may give a more significant effect. Laser treatments send heat deep in the skin without harming the top layers. Results usually require 3 to 5 treatments and they may appear 2 to 6 months after the last treatment. Surgical or cosmetic options. For skin sagging, some people may consider surgical options, body contouring procedures require a significant amount of recovery time, which may span several weeks. People may choose to treat a single area of the body or multiple areas. Body contouring may leave scarring. Some different types of body contouring surgery includes facelift, neck lift, arm lift, upper body lift, tummy tuck, lower body lift, medial thigh lift. Summary. Some several factors may cause sagging skin. These include aging and weight loss. It is not harmful, but some people may dislike how it looks. Different options may help improve the appearance of sagging skin. Mid to moderate sagging may be benefit. Increasing exercise level, using firming products, massage the skin, including supplements in the diet. Non-surgical and minimally invasive procedures may also help, but they tend to come with additional costs and potential risks. In case of severe skin sagging, some people may consider cosmetic surgery. However, body contouring procedures are expensive and pose further potential risks. I hope you liked the video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.